Well, alright. Alright, okay. Here comes our 3ds Max 2021 and we're having V-Ray 5. Right down to this date, I think this will be the latest version. Right now in this video, I'll try to show you how the real-time rendering works in V-Ray. As you can see that there was RT mode, real-time rendering mode right in the older V-Rays. And right now they had introduced the IPR, interactive progressive rendering, right in the viewport. I'm going to show you that. For this, the first thing that you want to require is you need to have an RTX. If it can be 8 or 16 GB, that would be better. I am having Titan RTX, which is approximately 40 GB, but you don't require that. I do some sort of AI programming with that, so I need that much memory. Anyways, the first thing that we wanna do here is I don't want to have that thing, so I don't want to have a time slider, and I don't want to have this project open. Okay, anyways, in order to enable that option here, I'm gonna get into the render settings by hitting F11. How to make sure that this is V-Ray GPU. Then only the power of your graphics card will get into the render mode. Alright, afterwards I'm gonna set up a light. First you want to set up a V-Ray light, and let the light stay here because we need an illumination if we get into the IPR mode. After getting to the IPR mode, the whole scene will be black. Why? Because the light is just falling into a space, so we need to cast a plane. For that, I'm gonna use the V-Ray plane and click anywhere. So at once you can see that, alright, there comes a plane. Then I like to maybe set up a sphere. Okay, that's a sphere. Okay, rather than creating a material, I'm gonna get into the default V-Ray library, and maybe I'd like to have a laminate material. So probably I'm gonna guess I'll pick this one and right click and add it to scene. So at once the material will get into here, and I said that we want to do here is all the thing that we want to do here is I'm gonna just assign this material right onto the floor. So there comes our V-Ray material, and you can see how fast it is. Now the next thing I like to assign maybe some sort of a metal, maybe a car paint. Okay, then right click and add it to scene. Then the asset will be right there, and I'll like to drag and drop this right on top of here, and you can see how fast this iterate. Just listen. I think there might be some noise as this is a reflective and car paint material. There might be some noise, but and the next thing is I'm gonna, yeah, you can copy that instance, maybe 3 lights. Oh wow, that's really getting very well, and the rendering is also getting very fast. So